Hello everyone, Chen here from Stock Trade. Today I'm going to walk you through an earnings trade that I made on Lam Research. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also see more research like this on www.outstocktrade/blogs. Lam Research Corporation was scheduled to report Q3 2021 results on April 20th after market close. The company expected revenues of $4.25 billion, indicating a 10.4% year-over-year growth. The company anticipated non-GAAP earnings of $7.45 per share, indicating a 0.1% fall from the prior year. The charts here are the revenue and EPS history. Both are showing signs of slowing down in the recent quarter. Prices of the entire semiconductor sector had been trending down during the last month amid rising concerns around supply issues and murky macroeconomics outlook. As the earnings season kicked off, Lam Research price was showing signs of recovery. Short volume and put-call ratio have been declining in the recent weeks, both indicating a positive sentiment on the stock. Going into the earnings, the implied volatility had been expanding. The IV rank before the earnings announcement was 55.5%. This meant that the implied volatility was above the trailing 12-month average. And since the IV percentile was also rather high, a volatility crush strategy seemed reasonable. The spot price of Lam Research on April 19th before market close was $481. The at-the-money straddle expired on April 22nd was priced at $24. This meant that the market expectation of the post-earning price move was between $481 plus minus $24. This is also known as the implied move. During the last four earnings, the actual post-earning day price action of Lam Research tend to move around the lower end of the implied moves, but by and large closed within the market expectation. My proposed trade was a short iron Condor strategy expired on April 22nd. This iron Condor strategy is composed of 4 option contracts, including a put credit spread on the left and a call credit spread on the right. The short legs of the put and call contracts were determined by the implied move price range, which were $455 and $505 respectively. The strike prices of the long legs are based on my risk tolerance. I chose $5 width spread on both the call and put sides. Expiration date for all 4 contracts was April 22nd of 2022. The total credit collected from this trade was $180, and the maximum loss was $320. The probability of profit this trade was around 80%, which was considered as a high probability trade. Lam Research reported its earnings later that day. The EPS reported was $7.40, missed the analysts expect by 1.56%, and the revenue reported was $4.06 billion, missed the analysts expect by 4.37%. Stock price was open at $488 and had been trended down throughout the day and closed at $469. I closed this position with $70 of credit, so my total profit in one day was $110. Coming up, lots of large companies will report their earnings for the week beginning on April 25th. So please subscribe to our channel and see more research like this on www.outstocktrade/blogs. Thank you so much. See you next time.